Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my favorite go-to drugstore products, and I'm going to be creating this gorgeous look with you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe. Now let's begin. I am color correcting my lids with the CoverGirl concealer. You guys, this works really good. It's pigmented and it doesn't dry quick. Then for my brows, I'm going to be applying the brow glue by NYX Cosmetics. I freaking lost the footage for my brows, but I use a NYX pencil. Then for my skin, I'm using this Pixie Rose Ceramide cream. It's really good. It's moisturizing. If you are on the dry side, this is really good. So I just applied a little bit because I really love this product. I love all my eyeshadows. They're really pigmented and they are also really affordable. So I'm just going to apply that on my crease and then grab a little tape on my hand to take away the stickiness. Apply it on the outer corner of my eye. This is a really simple look, you guys. I'm just applying as in eyeliner, and I'm getting it as pigmented as I can. So it is pigmented, and look at that. After taking the tape, it's so nice and clean. Then just applying the same brown eyeshadow at the bottom, but doing it more pigmented, as you guys can see, because the top of the lid looks a little bit soft and at the bottom it looks really pigmented, but the whole look is super easy. Then using this Essence Lash Princess mascara, this is really good. I need to get another one. This really works so good. So I'm just applying a couple coats. And then for my favorite foundation, you guys know it's the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. It's so freaking good. I never apply with a sponge. I always apply with a brush. I just forgot about the sponge. So I'm just applying that concealer again by CoverGirl. And right here, that's when I'm using the sponge, which I rarely do. But I'm using the one from Real Techniques, and then using my favorite Airspun loose powder, just patting it. I'm not baking. I'm just patting it, making it sink into my skin. Now this Hard Candy highlight and contour is a must, you guys. It's really good. It's really creamy, really affordable, and super pigmented, and it lasts us all day, you guys. This is my favorite product to contour. I can't forget the forehead and the nose. I will make a separate video of my favorite brushes that I'm always gravitating to. So now I'm using the Wet n Wild contour palette, you guys. As you guys see, it's busted, but it's so good. I love the yellow shade just to put it under my eyes and brighten that area. It really works. It's affordable and it works so freaking good. I'm going to hollow out my cheeks so it can look like I have some nice cheekbones, and lately that I've been doing this, it does really make a difference. So for blush, I'm using the Essence blush, and this color is so beautiful. It reminds me of the one that Kylie uses. And also I'm just going to reapply my shadow at the bottom since I applied concealer and all that. This is my favorite lip pencil from Milani Cosmetics, you guys. I will link it below, but that's why it's so little, and I don't know if they're not selling it anymore, but it's my favorite. And then for my lipstick, I'm using the one by Revlon's lipsticks. I think this one's in Untold Stories. Revlon lipsticks are so freaking good and they last forever. Using this Rimmel London Stay Setting Spray, it works really good. It does really last, and as you guys see right here, I'm applying that powder I told you guys, and it makes a big difference. Like, it lightens up the bottom of my eyes. And here you guys have the final look using all drugstore products, some of my favorite products that I'm always reaching out for, you guys. I hope you guys love this video, and I can't wait to see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more.